Sanjivani Patil. In our previous video, we have seen what are the rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, natural numbers, etc. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to show given rational number on a number line. Let us see. This is our first example. See, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. We have to show all these numbers on a number line. See, this is a number line. On this number line, at the center, that is 0. In the denominator, there are 2. Which is the number? 2. So, see, if you write like this, 3 by 2, it means 3 into 1 by 2. Therefore, each unit on the right side of 0, is to be divided in 2 equal parts. Means the third point from 0 shows 3 by 2. So, see here, 1, 2, 3. This number is 3 by 2. See here, if we consider, this is first part and this is second part. 0 to 1, it means 1 by 2. Half. So, we have to do each equal part. See like this. This is 1 by 2. Let us consider this is 1 by 2, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. And this next point is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, we have to show this one like this. This is 3 by 2. Next is, if we write 4 by 2. 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It means 2. This is also correct. Now, like this, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. Next number is also 5 by 2. So, this is 5 by 2. Now, we are going to show this number, minus 3 by 2. Now, this is on the left side of 0. See, there are same parts. It means 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like this. So, this is minus 1. It means minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So, minus 3 by 2 is here. Minus 3 by 2. See, minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2 means minus 4 by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Means minus 2 is the answer. Similarly, we can solve this next example, second example. Denominators are 3 in this example. Denominators are 3. Therefore, each unit on the right side of 0 is divided in 3 equal parts. So, the 7th point from 0, see, 7th point from 0 shows 7 by 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 3. This is our answer. Then, we have to show this 2 by 3. See, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 means third point. 1 from 0, 1, 2. Sorry, second point, 2 by 3. And on the left side of 0, this is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Like this, you can solve any example of This show the given numbers on a number line. That's all. Thank you.